Hello kids, today I am drawing a flower. It's a very easy flower. I like flowers. It's so interesting. I like drawing. Flowers is very beautiful and cute. I like this drawing. My favorite color is yellow. I am very enjoying to draw this. Let's coloring. I like coloring. I use the yellow color in Fulwer. It looks so beautiful. Look, it's so beautiful. Let's use the green color in leaves. I also like green color. Looks, it's so beautiful.